Good day, friends. Derek, that ADU guy here with a quick update on this ADU garage conversion. So here's a really good look at what you're going to have to do if you have a garage space that doesn't have all the utilities needed for a living space. So we went in and we took out the bottom 24 inches of drywall and insulation all the way along the wall where we knew we had to run plumbing and electrical. So you can see here, we've got all of our new electrical lines that are running up into the panel, designated circuits, everything required by code. Here's the hot and cold PEX lines. There's also some patchwork that's going to need to be done where we took down drywall to put in the line set for the mini split. Here's the bedroom, little closet there. There's a nice little storage loft above the closet and the bathroom. There's going to be a stacked washer and dryer on this side. Here's all the plumbing for that. I had to take out this 3040 window because it didn't quite fit the floor plan. Nice big 10-foot ceilings in this building, which are really going to help add volume. There's a big 6.0 opening that I plan to do a nice sliding barn door. So we framed in this bedroom wall, framed in the bathroom. This door here with the 6 light was a 3040 window, and I decided to swap that out for a door, and we're going to do a nice little patio entryway there. This is the section of the garage where the garage door was. So we had a 7-foot tall by 9-foot opening, and I decided that would be the easiest spot to put most of the plumbing since it was already exposed and I wouldn't be competing with wiring that was already in the wall. So there was no plumbing in this building, but there was wiring. So this is the fill-in of the garage. This is going to be the sink right here. We'll have the little bar / kitchenette station. Bathroom over here. Obviously the pocket door is not framed in because we would not have been able to get the 5-foot fiberglass tub shower surround. You want to make sure you insulate behind that because once you install it, it's really hard to get proper insulation behind it, especially down in the bottom. Here's the concrete cutout where we fixed the sewer lateral and also swung plumbing over for the toilet. Got a fan up here. I still have to run a 4-inch line out. VTO, vent to outside, is what the code says you have to do with any mechanical fan. Put in a window here. We did opt for a small little opaque window in the bathroom. Even just a small window that lets in just a little bit of natural light is really going to make the space feel quite a bit bigger. And this wall is pretty much unchanged except for the addition of the door where the window was. There's some patchwork up here to fish wires up into the attic. Before there was just a couple of banks of fluorescent lights, and we put boxes all over in the ceiling for recessed lighting as well as for smoke detectors in both the sleeping area and the main room. And pardon the mess, but we're obviously still under construction here. This comes out to the exterior, which I took the siding off all the way up to just above the windows, and I'm going to try to match this old cedar with some new paint grade siding. And yeah, it's definitely some patchwork here on the house wrap. I had a couple of leftover rolls from other projects, and as opposed to buying another $250 roll, I just patched together with what we had. So sorry, it looks kind of like a quilt. Hope everybody's having a good day and start planning your ADU. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments. I respond to every comment I get, and I'd love to at least be somewhat of an asset in helping you start or finish your project. Take care, folks.